Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 34 Wynn Road. Now this is a very individual semi-detached family home, giving you 2 double bedrooms, a modern fitted kitchen and breakfast room, a beautiful lounge that we're taking a look at now with the feature wood burning stove, low maintenance rear garden and a beautiful presentation throughout. Coming through into the kitchen here, you can see a modern finish with a range of fitted appliances as well as space for some white goods as well, and of course plenty of room there for the breakfast table. Lots and lots of light coming through from the windows to the front and rear, and coming back out into the hallway, we're going to go upstairs and take a look at the 2 double bedrooms. So coming upstairs on to the first floor of number 34 Wynn Road, coming to the front, the first of the double bedrooms there, plenty of space not only for the double bed but for plenty of storage as well, and that lovely big bank of windows to the front, letting all of that natural light flood through. Coming through to the rear of number 34 Wynn Road, again another wonderful double-sized room, this time with the view out into the rear garden. Now the rear garden is where we're going to head into just after we've taken a quick look at the main family bathroom. You can see here again modern finish with of course the bath and shower on the right hand side and the loo and sink unit. In the rear garden, this does give us a good chance now to wrap up today's tour at number 34 Wynn Road, and I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today. And don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.